So over here, you can see that I have an audio layer right here with an audio. And if you want to, let's say, for example, adjust out the audio, but in a certain time range, then you can add in keyframes to the audio as well. So let's say what I want is, in the beginning, I want the audio to start low right here. Then I gradually want it to actually go around and increase out in volume. So over here, what I can do is hold Alt and click over here, and you can see that there's this dot right here. Similarly, I can go around over here just like this. So let me just go around and move it, hold Alt and click, and you can see that this is what you have. And you can gradually increase out the volume, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can click around over here, decrease out the volume, click and increase out the volume right here, just like this. And you can also go around right here and adjust it according to how you want, as you can see right here. You can click and drag it wherever you want, just like that. You can hold Alt and click on it to delete it out as well if you don't want to add it. So you can see that you can hold Alt and click right there to increase and decrease the volume, just like this. So you can go around right here, and there you go. This is what you have. So if I were to go around onto the beginning and I have my speaker icon on right here and press the play button, you can hear the audio fading in, just like that. And that is how you can add in keyframes to audio volume inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.